Introduction. Solar heating is when you use the sun's energy to heat up the water. There are two types of solar heating. Passive, which is when the heat goes through the glass and has a greenhouse effect. Active is when they use pipes to transfer the heat. We had to create a solar water heater by using the sun to heat up the water. Our project was a passive water heater.
Purpose and objective. We painted 90% of our project with black spray paint because black is the best color to gather and trap heat. We used a cutting board as our base so we could get the appropriate tilt that was needed. We wanted a tilt because all the examples of real solar heaters we found online all had a tilt. We used a milk jug because we researched that jugs and buckets collect heat. We wrapped it in a trash bag because trash bags also can collect heat at a fast pace. We built a reflector to reflect some light onto the jug. We used magnifying glasses on top to concentrate the heat, and we used hot glue to hold everything together. The only problem we had was getting the jug to stay on the base, so we put extra glue and built a shelf, and it worked out just fine.
Hypothesis. We thought our project would be 50 degrees higher than the control.
Materials. In this project, the materials used in the assembly of the project are a gallon milk jug, wood cutting board, scrap wood, tin foil, masking tape, trash bag, hot glue from a hot glue gun, black spray paint, a black metal rod, and 2 magnifying glasses. The wood is 59.5 centimeters width, 55 centimeters length, and the height is 45 centimeters.
Data. The control was 7 degrees Celsius, and our water got to 8 degrees Celsius.
Procedure for the assembly. First, we cut the milk jug. Second, we spray painted the milk jug black. Third, we spray painted the cutting board. Fourth, we put a trash bag around the milk jug. Fifth, we gathered up scrap wood and piled it up so we can tilt the cutting board at a 45-degree angle. Sixth, we glued the pile of scrap wood to the cutting board. Seventh, we glued the milk jug with the trash bag around it to the cutting board. Eighth, we made a reflector facing the milk jug with the tin foil wrapped around some scrap wood. Ninth, we glued a barrier to the cutting board and our reflector to make sure the milk jug with the water in it doesn't fall. 10th, we put the black metal rod in the milk jug so it can attract heat. 11th, we taped the magnifying glasses to the opening of the milk jug.
In summary of our iMovie, we have shown you our purpose and objective, hypothesis, materials used, procedure for assembly, and our data. Our hypothesis was for our project to get 50 degrees higher than the control. The reason we did not achieve that was because we lacked surface area and insulating the outer areas of our project. 1. Allow sunlight in, but also trap heat. We did allow some sunlight in, but we failed to trap the heat. We should have used some sort of glass. Double panned with air space between them would have worked best for us. 2. Increase surface area of the water so it will heat quickly. We lack the appropriate surface area to get the greatest results on our project. 3. Water should be in or around a conductor for a rapid heat transfer. We did have a conductor and it was in the water. We had a black metal rod in the water to attract.
Insulate outer areas of our project to prevent heat transfer. We wrapped the trash bag around a jug for only insulation in our project.
7. Angle projected 45 degrees to the southwest. We estimated a 45-degree angle tilt for our project and aimed it to the southwest. The only problems we had was finding ideas for our project to succeed, plus making sure that the milk jug was secure on the base. To make our project better, we would need to add more surface area and insulation.
open your